Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. Welcome to this channel and today we are going to learn les alphabets, the French alphabet, and we'll learn the pronunciation of each alphabet, and in the end we'll do a short task of how to spell your name in French. So let's get started. The alphabets in French are called les alphabets. We'll start with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's it. It's easy, right? Let's do it one more time. A is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's it. This is how the alphabets are pronounced in French. And now we'll do a short exercise of how you can spell your name. So if anyone asks you Sase Krikomo, you have to spell your name for them. So if I ask Paul, Paul, Sase Krikomo, then Paul would answer P A U L. And similarly, if I ask Alice, Alice, Sase Krikomo, Alice would answer A L E C A. That's it. That's how you pronounce and spell your name in French. And I hope you found this lecture useful and it's given a good idea of pronunciation of the French alphabet. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up button and subscribe for more such videos. If you do have a question, do leave it down in the comment section. I will see you in the next lecture. Salut, à bientôt.